Oh, hi there. Sorry it's been a minute. It's me, Samantha. Let's get into it. So, the month of May was an absolute roller coaster for me. If you hadn't noticed, my craft room looks a little different. That's because this is my new apartment. Apartment tour coming soon. Wink. I did not have plans to move, and that is why, packing and unpacking and getting settled in has been taking me so long, and why I haven't been posting because I didn't have anything planned to, have it scheduled to post. The reason why I had to move on such last minute notice is that I caught my boyfriend, who I lived with, cheating on me. So I packed up my shit and broke up with him and left. Here we are a month later, and we're getting settled in, and we are going to make this a great summer. I am not going to speak any more on this topic. That is all I have to share. This video is the first of many that I am making for you guys this summer. If you are interested in coming along and you believe in me, please hit that subscribe button and go ahead and share my channel with your friends and family. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. We're going to get back on a Tuesday, Thursday posting schedule. I'm also going to be posting the shorts and the reels. If you want to check me out on Instagram, I am So Sustainable 2022. I'll have that linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much to everyone who has been with me up until this point, or if you're new to the channel, I appreciate all of you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. I will see you on Thursday with my final Joann's haul. It's gonna be huge.